Alright, black Toyota Camry 2011, horn problem, that's not working. So the first one that we do, we need to check the horn here, the connection, the wire harness right here, and the other one here at the bottom here. So the connector is good. Alright, so we need to move the other part here all the way down here on the fuse battery. Good. So we need to check the fuse, all the fuse is right over here. We need to check for a while. Okay, the test light is working, the other one is working too, so it means it fuse is good, huh? Okay, so let's move to the other one, the 7.5 fuse. Okay, let's see, the tester is working. So the other one here is connected, so it means there's no fuse or really problem. All right, so another part that we check, the horn button located at the steering wheel here. This is a 2011 Toyota Camry. Okay, I already disconnected the ground line connected to the horn button. So when I open the horn button, so the socket is not properly insert here, right here. This is the ground for the horn button. So you need to check very well before you decided to change your horn. You need to check very well the button, the wire connectors, and you plug very well, because it's not all the problem is fuse, relay, wire line. Most common problem is the connector. Sometimes it's not properly insert to the male connector before you decided to buy a new horn. Okay, let's check, and let's check my idea to see this is, you see this is working now. So I try to push the horn button up the bottom. Okay, all right, it's working. So that is the idea. That is my idea, the Filipino idea. Before we buy a parts, you need to check first the horn, wire line, or the harness or the connector, then all the way up to the fuse box. Check the horn fuse, and check the relay. But the car is like a 2010 or like old cars. Sometimes the relay, that is not mostly relay problem. The most common problem is the connector. All right, guys, that's it, and I put it back and enjoy my idea. Thank you, and more power for Camry lovers. Alright, man, the problem is solved for the Toyota Camry 2011 horn button problem. That's it.